Forget everything you know about diet food. Today we're not just cooking, we're unleashing a keto masterpiece that will make you forget carbs even exist. Welcome to the Keto Cooking Club. We start with the king of the ocean, fresh Atlantic salmon. 2 fillets, 180 grams each, packed with omega-3s. But the secret to professional results isn't just the fish, it's the prep. Pat it dry until it's like paper. Season it heavily. Feel the texture. This is the foundation of flavor. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of fat transforming into a crispy, golden crust. 4 minutes, skin side down. Don't touch it. Let the heat work. While the salmon rests, we build the soul of this dish. In the same pan, we drop a knob of grass-fed butter. Watch it foam. Toss in 3 cloves of smashed garlic. Smell that? That's the aroma of a 5-star kitchen. Now the heavy cream. 150 milliliters of pure, silken luxury hitting the heat. Now we add the punch. Sun-dried tomatoes. They're our umami bomb. Whisk in the aged Parmesan until the sauce becomes a thick, velvety blanket. We fold in fresh baby spinach for that vibrant green contrast. Slide the salmon back into its warm, creamy bath. A squeeze of lemon to cut through the richness. Look at that texture. It's flaky, it's rich, and it's only 3 grams of net carbs. This is how you reclaim your health without sacrificing your soul. Subscribe now and let's change the way you eat forever.